Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this curly embellishment that you can attach to keys or use as a zipper pull on jackets or backpacks. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And now I'm going to chain 30. You can chain any amount that you would like. When you have your chain, work the length that you would like. I'm going to make 4 double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'm going to make 3 more for a total of 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Like that, all in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. In every stitch all the way down the chain, make 4 double crochet. Now 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. And the work is going to start curling on itself like that. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to make 4 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down the chain. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 4 double crochet in each stitch. And now you can just help the curl along by just curling the full length. Like that. And now I'm just going to take this last stitch and just connect it down here to the very end of the chain, like that. And I'm going to make a loop for hanging, so I'm going to chain 15. And now I'm going to slip stitch down here in that same stitch, fasten off, and then weave your yarn ends into the finished work, and attach a key ring. Like that. And then you can attach your curly key ring to keys or use as a zipper pull on backpacks or purses. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.